British, in British, in 10th century ago, in British, they live a little bit poor, and rich maybe, a little bit poor. There was a kid with a play kite. Like that. Daddy, I want to play kite outside. Say the kid. Never play outside. It's so very windy, and the kite's wonderful. And he see a man, and he's talked to his daddy. Oh, Daddy! When I play a kite, I got a little man, a big man with an umbrella. And that is a Mary Poppins, the very, very, very incredible girl that never leave in the earth, but he returned to the earth. Actually, he is in the earth, but his mom is dying, and it's returned. Okay, so Mary Poppins, say to Daddy, Mary Poppins, you return. Say it. Mary, say to Daddy, and the mom say is Poppins, and they both say return. Yes, you're not so very, very surprised. I just come here just for economists, like a nanny. Sorry, oh little baby, I need a tea because I'm so very, very hungry, and a croissant for eat. But do not chocolate. Blueberry is good enough. Okay, bye. Okay. Mary Poppins is a magical fairy that never fails in the world. So he can fly, and he can go to the magical cartoon. So cartoon Disney is his friend. So when he do magic, the son of that daddy say like that. How you do that? And don't be surprised. It's just mine, and don't be surprised. I always do that in my word. Say Mary Poppins, can you teach me? Oh, of course. They got a clay, and they make a flowery, bonky, bosky, and they made two, and they come to the cartoon. In cartoon word, that is Mary Poppins is live. In cartoon word. So in cartoon word, they will live Mary Poppins in there. And Mary Poppins, this is my word, and this is Mickey Mouse, this is Woolly Mouse, and this is Punky Mouse. And their name is with a mouse because they have a big ears in the middle of a little bit with a punky poncy and nose. And they all of the Disney cartoon dancing and beep 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 with a trumpet. And Mary Poppins, how do you do that? Teach me, teach me, teach me. Because the daddy have 3 kids, and he teach up to the Disney, and they're super surprised. Mary Poppins is wear an umbrella when he want to, and when he don't have an umbrella, he will come back to his word. That's why. And when Mary Poppins wanna go to the shop to buy croissant again, that blueberry, not chocolate, and he left his umbrella, and his cat, the daddy cat and the son cat, broke the umbrella. So the Mary Poppins back to his volcano land. So he wouldn't sit, he wanted to die and dying and possibly with his fate. So he see his mother, and daddy find his mother. So Mary Poppins and daddy is same mother. So he was surprised, and his daddy come to the volcano too, and they want to die, but because the umbrella is stone, so Mary Poppins is disappear and dies. And they come again, and Mary Poppins brought a frozen chocolate, Actually, he don't like his chocolate, but he's hated. So the magical kingdom come back. The end.